Good morning, Third Eye Art Army!
What is up, YouTube? Guys, we did it. We got 100+ on both of those videos. Awesome job.
So for that, I will be doubling the prizes pretty much, adding a GX full art to both of the piles, as well as a ton of pulls from Hidden Fates, and Unbroken Bonds, and some Unified Minds. A whole bunch of sets that I've opened up, and they've gotten twice as spice. Thanks to you guys. I will be announcing at the end of this video, or in a very quick, short announcing video after this one. But today, we've been making our own street skate spot.
And so you guys know, you have twice, if not 3 times as many chances to win my 200 sub giveaway, because any names that do not win, and I don't draw from this 150 sub, go directly into the 200 sub, which will follow the 150 sub pretty much almost 1 or 2 videos later. So I'll be getting those winnings together.
I gotta pick what people are gonna win though. Oh boy. But don't worry, we've been opening some bomb stuff. I have plenty to give away. Plenty.
Commenting on this video will also add your name again and again. And let's go find some stuff.
Here we go. That's some miscellaneous random store. Try to find some good. Okay. We got some random tiles. I'm gonna grab a couple of these. Got a few things so far. Boy, howdy, is this place as miscellaneous as it could possibly be.
We have acquired random mystery items. Let's go itemize them. Fucking sidewalks are lumpy. I gotta use magic to get out of here. That didn't work as well as I thought. We're here though. Now we have most of our supplies right here. Right now it literally just looks like random stuff. Because it is, but I was able to find some really cool things. And it looks like miscellaneous craziness, but with some imagination, you already totally know what this is going to be. I mean, you got it. You can't be a dummy. Sort of the pre-mold is a little bit tedious, so I'll step back into it and show you what I've done after I get a little bit of progress. Boys, but it will be. That's gonna be cool. We've got lots of drawing to go. This is the start of our 3-block handrail.
One of our coolest obstacles. Quite simple. Just raise it up a tiny bit. Stuff to do. I'm gonna let all this stuff dry and set, and then we'll come back later and put it all together and then do some shredding. Trends. Now that we got a bunch of stuff dry, I'm gonna go out and you're gonna come with me. We're gonna find some cool stuff, stones, rocks, and like let's make some planter gas, some little bushes and shit. It's gonna be cute.
This video is going to be kind of sporadic until we get all the pieces to our puzzle. You know what I'm saying?
But this is also going to be a last-minute submission for tomorrow's video, which will be the giveaway announcement.
The winners. Who won?
Because we hit 150 subs. So make sure you like, comment down below for your extra entry, and be sure you subscribe so you can win. Let's show you guys a couple of the obstacles, and then we'll find a couple more things, and we'll put it all together.
Got a little garden bed, brick, a planter gap. Tile ledge, simulating a awesome concrete and marble ledge like you'd see in a lovely park. We have our 3-block, which came out awesome. perfect handrail, perfect 3-block, concrete details with cracks, all that cool stuff. Yeah.
Not going to show you all the tiny deets that are going to make it super rad, but you'll see that in a bit when we puzzle it up.
Okay guys, so we've got all our miscellaneous stuff we've acquired. Now let's put it all together. You guys see how badass this came out? Let's zoom through a little park here. Sidewalk right here, some grass growing up through the cracks. We've got our parking spaces, our curbs, which yes, our pencils. Bam. One last overview of this park. You'll definitely come back. If you like this, be sure to like. And remember guys,
So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun making this thing, a bunch of fun using it, but I don't want the video to be too long. So we'll definitely come back and play with it some other day. But also remember, this is a third chance to comment on this video, tell me how you felt, but also to enter in our 150 sub giveaway that will be tomorrow. I will be posting the winner. So
comment on this video. You'll be adding an extra chance to win for our 150 giveaway.
And also, any of the names that I do not pick will go straight into our 200 sub giveaway, which will be right after 150. Boy howdy. Boy howdy.
So thank you guys so much. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.